Well, we have the biggest vehicle we've ever had in here. Hey, Logan?
Nice.
So we have a 2002?
Yes.
2002 F250, 350?
250.
250 diesel truck. And Logan wants to do some work to it. So he's went out and spent a little bit of money. Show me the money. There you go, look at that. All new leaf springs. No blocks in this kit.
We got a sticker.
Dude loves stickers. I don't know what that is. That's for like a body lift or something?
These?
What's that for? Suspension needed.
Well, those are instructions.
Well, it has instructions, but I don't know what those are for. We'll have to figure that out. We got an empty box over here.
This is for the fucking steering box.
That might not be for the steering box. That might be for your Pitman, sorry, your...
Or sorry, yeah, not steering box.
Panhard bar. Panhard bar.
It still goes in the front end.
Yeah, it still goes in the front end. Yeah. We got tie rods.
Sway bar bushing.
Sway bar bushings.
Sway bar ends. Dual stabilizers.
Dual stabilizers.
I only paid $100 for these.
That's pretty cheap.
Yeah, and they're stage 2 they're the stage 2 shocks.
We got U-bolts with nylocks. That's kind of nice.
These are
U-bolts.
They're only N3s, they're not V2s.
Whatever. They're shocks. They're gonna wear out in 6 to 7 months anyway.
Oh man.
We got leaf springs.
Plug and play.
You know what? He says this is plug and play. Logan, how long do you think this job's gonna take us?
8 hours.
Did you just rope me into an 8-hour job? Oh, just take a little bit, man. It's just plug and play. We just undo it.
Well, no, at least you don't have to build the leaf springs. They're pre-built.
Logan, leaf springs come pre-built. I've never seen a kit where it just sends a whole bunch of leaves and you got to bolt them together.
No. Well, if you do the leveling kit for these trucks, it's just the front leaf.
That's
and
stupid.
you have to like take it out and build it, and put it back in. I don't know if you can build it in place.
If we're spending 8 hours on this truck, you're buying me more than a hot dog.
Yeah.
You know what? I think that my pin on my shirt sums this up. Have you seen the pin on my shirt? Found it in a car. So we're going to start on the front of this. We're going to try to use the jacks and we're going to try to use the hoist to try to make this as easy as we can. We're going to kind of do a play-by-play. It is what, 33 degrees today, Logan? 32 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's probably double plus 30, so 90, 98.
I can't remember what the ratio of degrees is.
Whatever, it's damn hot.
Yeah,
So yeah, we're going to be working on this today in the heat and trying to see how much we can get done. But the first things first, take these tires off and then go from there. He says the truck's super undercoated, so it's not going to give us an issue. But
give him a quick shot of that frame.
You know what?
It is beautiful. Look at my air system I put in. I used a propane tank.
Do you want to see like the
lie down and look at my air system.
Broken, rusted out Ford frame? Oh my God, Logan, that is horrible.
Look how clean that frame is.
Why do you have onboard air?
Buddy, train system. I got airbags front and back to soften the suspension because Leaf's front and back is a rough ride.
I know it is. I had a 2000 Ford.
Getting the airbags for the assist front and rear. I have the King Ranch interior at my at the house in the garage.
Nice ripping the seat over there, bud.
Yeah, well, Lariat interior is going to be ripped out. They're going to be qualifier seats very shortly.
Oh well. Well, we'll start tearing this thing apart and tell you guys any problems we got. But this is a rough country kit, right, Logan?
Yes.
And is it anything special?
Don't believe so, no.
So it's just a rough country, full leaf kit, no blocks.
I ordered it April 4th, and I just got it today.
And today's June 20th.
COVID life, bud.
Oh, yeah. T-Dot Performance?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, we started taking this truck apart, and then the power went out here in the garage, and now it's kind of hard to see everything. But we contacted the hydro and they said it'll be out till 3:30. So we're going to be doing the rest of this in the dark, I guess. So we got all the bolts loose, as you can see, or maybe not see, the nuts off.
Well, no, the bolts are sliding. You just left the bolts in.
Yeah, everything's loose. We still got to do the ones that go down here through the U-bolts, around the axle. We're going to do one side at a time and go like that. But we do have jacks underneath the axle, and the truck is on the hoist and on the safeties. So yeah, there's still just little bits and shits we got to do.
Both the link arms are out.
Yeah, link arms are out because Logan says that he wants to replace all that, so that can be done. The only thing I'm kind of worried about, Logan, is your damn brake lines.
I never thought of that.
What if this is way too tall and your brake lines are way too short?
Well, it's only 4 inches.
That's what she said.
Oh, sidewalls, baby.
Ah! So we're gonna start working on this. We're gonna start here at the passenger side because there's a little bit less stuff to do at the passenger side, and we're gonna go from there. So let's see how far we can get on this. I'm gonna try to find a way to turn on some kind of music here in the garage because it's gonna be going deaf if I have to listen to this guy talk for the next 3 hours until the hydro comes back on.
You talk way more than me.
I know I talk way more, but let's get going on this. So there's still no power inside the garage, and we are struggling. It would have been so much nicer if we had the hoist to lift this thing. We got the new leaf springs in, which is just barely enough room. I had to let the axle go almost all the way down to be able to get these leaf springs to fit. So we just had it high enough. But we're getting the steering stabilizer bars put in now. We still got lots more to do. But yeah, sway bar bushings, pitman arm, dropment. We got a lot of other things to do this. But it would be so much nicer if we had power to lift the hoist and maybe have a fan going. But it's coming along. The leaf springs, they look a lot more than 4 inches. And it pushed the axle ahead almost 1.5 inches. So I told him he should have got longer brake lines. But we're almost there. We're going to keep you guys updated for sure. Well, guess what? The power came back on when we're almost done. Logan is just putting in the new pitman arm for this thing. Tie rod end, sorry. This definitely does not look like a 4-inch kit on this truck, right? What do you think this looks like? A 6 or a 5? At least a 5, maybe a 6. We should have done some measurements. Maybe we'll do some measurements on the back there before we start on the back, just to see what it goes to. But God, and the only thing that we haven't put on yet is the dual steering stabilizer bars.
Yeah, that one's good.
But we have half the kit on. But yeah, she sits much taller now. That's for sure. We're going to be backing her out very shortly so we can start on the back end though. Any problems that we came across? Nothing too major, just old.
You want me to pull this out?
Old rusty bolts, pretty much. That's pretty much what it is.
That came out pretty good.
Yeah, pretty much.
But it's once.
Did we even use the torches?
No, didn't use torches once.
Nope. Yeah, I think it went half decent.
Okay.
So we're probably going to be starting on the back right about now. So we'll be right back. So much taller. Steering stabilizer bars look like they're pretty much condensed right up. I don't like the booties on it. That's your steering stabilizers right maxed out. I'm not going to say anything. He's got that Cali lean going on. Logan, you want Cali lean, right?
You see my posse? Your nice driveway.
He's trying to turn this thing around. It's like 28 feet. He's not turning it around in here very easily. You want to take a photo for Cali lean? Actually, before we do this, let's measure. Let's measure.
You gotta go at the front of the tire.
Why? Just it doesn't have to be like fucking rocket science.
I know, but if you want an accurate measurement.
It doesn't have to be 100%.
Well, I guess over that distance you're gonna be an inch different.
Okay, go from top of rim, or hook it on the top of the rim.
It's right there, yeah. Inside of the rim, yeah.
So you're 17 3/4.
To here?
Yep. Now we'll see what we are once we go up. Yeah. There you go, Logan. She's done. Just drive around like this all the time. I guess that's smart. Take everything else, everything that's heavy, out of the box now. Oh, I'm folding that box in half. I'll take this, Logan. This looks really heavy. I'll take this. You take that. That looks light. Well, what's this mean? The garage is empty. Logan, what's that mean?
It means it's scrap.
Means the Ford went to scrap. Just joking. Leveling kit, sorry, lift kit is done. The back actually gave us a little bit of troubles. There was one bolt that was quite seized. Had to heat it up. The one thing I will say though is the instructions sucked. We didn't even know which way was the front on some of these leaf springs, that's for sure. But she's up there, she's sitting pretty tall. New shocks, all four corners, 4 new leaves, sway bar extensions, new sway bar bushings.
Drag link arms.
Drag link arms. Logan knows the proper names of them. We even put the dual steering stabilizers.
Dual stabilizers.
Yeah. I don't know. It runs pretty good, and now it looks pretty good with how tall it is. Now he just needs to paint it.
Just got to finish in my panel board on my lower dash unit I installed. I got the 4 gauges in there now. I got the King Ranch interior at the house.
Got a broken windshield.
Hey, still got to do body work above the windshield.
Truck's looking pretty good, but now with the lift kit, he's
different colors.
he's happy. So thanks for watching, everybody. This truck was very heavily undercoated, and I am covered from head to toe in undercoating grease, and it kind of sucks. So been a very hot day, half the day without hydro. Would have been nice if we had hydro the full day, right, Logan?
Yeah.
But thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.